Mastery practice question 5. The diagram shows arrangement of a few chairs. So these are the chairs stacked onto another. The height of each chair is 80 cm. When the chairs are arranged, there is a 4 cm gap in between two chairs. Right. So the original length of the chair is 80 cm. But when we stack onto another, one onto another, it increases by 4 cm. So every chair we stack, the total height is going to increase by 4. So this looks like an arithmetic progression. So we can say A is 80, this is the initial height, and then every chair we stack, we're going to add 4 cm. Right. A. Find the maximum number of chairs that can be arranged if the height of the store is 3 meters. Okay. So the store is 3 meters, which is also 300 cm. We need to find how many chairs can we stack. So here we have to do Tn is less than or equals to 300 cm. Only then it can fit within this 300 cm store. Right. So Tn would be A plus n minus 1d less than 300. We know the values of A and D, 80 and 4. So we can sub that in here. D is 4. Okay. So n minus 1 would be 300 minus 80 divided by 4. 300 minus 80 divided by 4 is 55. So n minus 1 is less than or equals to 55. N is 56. Okay, since this is not a decimal, we can say n equals to 56. That means if you stack 56 chairs, it will be exactly 300 cm. Done. Right. Next. B. B, I think there is a typo. This is not 13 chairs. This should be 13 stacks. Okay. 13 stacks will be kept in the store with the condition that the first stack will have the maximum number of chairs. Maximum number of chairs means 56 lah, just now we found, right? So first stack is 56. And the arrangement of chairs for subsequent stacks decreases by 2. So 56, 54, 52 and so on. Calculate the total number of chairs kept in the store. Right. So altogether we have 13 stacks of chairs. Every stack, the number of chairs decreases by 2. Okay, go until 13. So we need to find the total number of chairs we have. So we need to find S13. So the formula for Sn would be n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, here we cannot be using this a and this d because here our progression is the number of chairs in a stack. So 13 over 2, our a would be 56. And our d would be minus 2. So every subsequent progression is minus 2. So we put negative 2. Right. So we can solve this now. 13 over 2, 2 times 56, plus 12 times negative 2. 572 chairs. So across 13 stacks, we would have this many chairs.